Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we're going to learn how to share folders or drives from one computer to another computer on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. It is a very easy process. You just need to make sure that you watch the whole video and you will be able to share your folders, your drives. So let's get started. So the very first thing, we just need to open the File Explorer. And once the File Explorer is open, at the left hand side you will find this PC. So if you want to share your drives, now here we just need to do a right click and then go to Properties, and here you will get a window like this. Let me maximize it. So we need to look for a sharing folder, sharing tab, and once we are here we need to go to Advanced Sharing, set custom permission, create multiple shares, and set other advanced sharing options. So we need to click on Advanced Sharing. Now once you do that, this will be unchecked. So you need to make sure that you check mark. Here we can limit the number of simultaneous users to. By default it is 20 and you can make it as per your convenience. Once you're done, here you can give the permissions, and in permissions, share permission, group or username. So if you want to give a specific user, you can simply click on add, and here you can type the name of that user. By default it is selected everyone, so you can do that, and here you will find permissions for everyone. From here you can give the permission full control or change or read. So once you have given the permission, so let's say if I only want to give read permission, so I can check mark on allow, and then I need to click on apply and OK. Once this is done, again we need to click on apply and OK, and then we need to close it. Now this is done for the drive. Let's say if I want to share a folder on the network, so for that we just need to do a right click and then go to Properties, and here we will find the Sharing tab. And the very first option will be network path and advanced sharing. So if I click on advanced sharing, we get the same window, and in the same manner we just need to share this folder, and here we can click on permission, select the users and which all permission you need. You just need to check mark and click on OK and then apply, and again we need to click on OK. So once this is done, at the left hand side you have this network folder, and here all the computers connected to the network will be there. If they are in same work group, it will be there, and then you just need to double click on that, and here I can see the D drive and the research folder which I had created to share is here. So in this manner you can share your drives and folders over the network. I hope this short tutorial has helped you. Please hit the like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you have any issues. I'll try my best to help you. Have a wonderful day.